The unending quest. What is true happiness? What is happiness? We chase it, dream of it, crave it. But what is it really? Is it fleeting pleasure, material wealth, or social status? The Stoics, those ancient philosophers of wisdom, offer a radically different perspective. Happiness, they argue, isn't found in the external world, but within ourselves. It's not about accumulating possessions or accolades, but about cultivating inner peace and living a life of virtue. This inward focus, this emphasis on what we can control, forms the bedrock of Stoic happiness. Imagine a life unshaken by the storms of fortune, where tranquility reigns even amidst chaos. This is the promise of Stoicism. By mastering our minds, by aligning our thoughts and actions with virtue, we can find lasting contentment, a happiness that transcends circumstance. This is not to say that Stoicism promotes a life devoid of joy or pleasure. Rather, it teaches us to find joy in the simple things, to appreciate the present moment, and to derive satisfaction from living a life of purpose and meaning. The Stoic key: unlocking inner peace. The Stoics believe that true happiness, lasting and genuine, comes from within. It's not about what happens to us, but how we respond. This inner citadel of peace is built on the foundation of our perceptions, our judgments, and our reactions to the world around us. Epictetus, the Stoic philosopher, famously said, "Men are disturbed not by things, but by the view which they take of them." This profound statement encapsulates the Stoic approach to happiness. We are not victims of circumstance, but active participants in creating our own reality. By choosing how we perceive events, by focusing on what we can control, our thoughts, our actions, our responses, we gain mastery over our emotions and find a deep wellspring of inner peace. This is the Stoic key: unlocking happiness by choosing our perspective. Imagine a rock in a rushing river. The water swirls and crashes, yet the rock remains unmoved. This is the Stoic ideal, a mind calm and steady, even amidst the turbulence of life. By cultivating inner peace, we become like that rock, unshaken and serene. Virtue, the North Star of Stoic happiness. The Stoics point to virtue as the North Star of a fulfilling life. Virtue means living in accordance with nature, reason, and our capacity for goodness. The four cardinal virtues, wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance, guide us. By embodying these virtues, we align with the Stoic ideal of a life well lived. Virtue becomes the path to happiness itself. Section 4. Gratitude. Finding joy in the present moment. Gratitude, for the Stoics, wasn't merely a polite gesture, but a powerful tool for cultivating happiness. By focusing on what we have, rather than what we lack, we shift our perspective from scarcity to abundance. This simple act of appreciation has a profound impact on our well-being. Each morning, take a moment to reflect on the good in your life. Be grateful for your health, your loved ones, the roof over your head, and the food on your table. Acknowledge the countless blessings that we often take for granted. This practice, though seemingly small, can have a remarkable effect on your outlook. Gratitude also extends to the challenges we face. The Stoics believe that adversity, too, is an opportunity for growth. Instead of lamenting our misfortunes, we can choose to see them as lessons, as chances to develop resilience, patience, and strength of character. By embracing gratitude as a way of life, we open ourselves to the abundance of the present moment. We find joy in the simple things, appreciate the beauty around us, and cultivate a deep sense of contentment, regardless of external circumstances. Section 5. Mindfulness and self-awareness, mastering the inner world. The Stoics placed great emphasis on self-awareness, on understanding our thoughts, emotions, and reactions. Mindfulness, the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment, was a key element in their pursuit of inner peace. By cultivating mindfulness, we become observers of our own minds. We notice our thoughts without getting carried away by them. We recognize our emotions without letting them control us. This inner awareness allows us to make conscious choices rather than reacting impulsively to external events. Imagine a still pond reflecting the sky. When our minds are calm and clear, we become like that pond, reflecting reality with accuracy and without distortion. Mindfulness helps us to achieve this clarity, allowing us to see ourselves and the world around us with greater objectivity. Through regular practice, Mindfulness becomes a powerful tool for managing stress, overcoming negative emotions, and cultivating a sense of inner peace. It allows us to respond to life's challenges with wisdom, equanimity, and grace. Section 6. Practical Stoicism. Exercises for a tranquil life. Stoicism, unlike some philosophies, is not merely a set of abstract ideas. It's a practical guide to living a better life. Here are a few exercises to integrate Stoic principles into your daily routine. Negative visualization. Imagine the loss of something you value, your health, your loved ones, your possessions. This practice, while seemingly grim, helps you appreciate what you have and prepare for life's inevitable challenges. Dichotomy of control. Throughout your day, consciously distinguish between what you can and cannot control. Focus your energy on the former, accepting the latter with serenity. This simple practice reduces anxiety and empowers you to focus on what truly matters. Stoic journaling. At the end of each day, reflect on your experiences. Identify situations where you could have responded more virtuously. Use these reflections as opportunities for growth and learning. These are just a few examples of how Stoic principles can be put into practice. By incorporating these exercises into your daily life, you can cultivate greater resilience, inner peace, and happiness. Section 7. Stoicism, your path to enduring happiness. In a world obsessed with external validation and fleeting pleasures, Stoicism offers a refreshing alternative, a path to happiness that is lasting, genuine, and within our control. It's a philosophy for the modern age, as relevant today as it was centuries ago. By embracing the Stoic principles of inner peace, virtue, gratitude, mindfulness, and self-awareness, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. We learn to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience, finding contentment and joy even amidst the inevitable storms. Stoicism is not a quick fix or a magic bullet. It's a lifelong practice, a commitment to living in accordance with our highest selves. But the rewards are immeasurable, a life filled with purpose, meaning, and a deep sense of inner peace. This is the promise of Stoicism, a philosophy for anyone seeking lasting happiness in a world of constant change.